Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Geraldine Polo de la Serna, 44 years old, single parent. I have two children, 24 years old age, girl, 20 years old, boy. 152 centimeter, 52 kilogram. I'm living in Barangay Tumapik, Mahayag, Zamboanga del Sur. I have 6 brother, 1 sister. I am 7 siblings in my family. My father's name is Demetriu de la Serna, 78 years old, farmer. My mother's name is Erlinda Pulo de la Serna, 78 years old, housekeeping. Ma'am and Sir, this is my first time working in Hong Kong, but I have already experienced to work in Middle East, my first employer in Lebanon, 3 years finished contract, serving 4 members in the family, my madam, my sir, and the 2 kids, age 1-year-old and a half, girl, and 3 years old, boy. My second employer in Saudi Arabia, 6 years and 3 months, finished contract. I have co-worker Philippine also. We are serving 6 members in the family, my sir, my madam, and the 4 kids, age 9 months old, 8 years old, and 5 years old, and 11 years old. She is a special child. I take her. My third employer in Kuwait City, 2 years and 2 months, finished contract, serving 7 members in the family. I have co-worker Philippine, age of the kids 11 years old, 10 years old, 6 years old, and 3 years old. Ma'am and Sir, I can cook Arabic food, Filipino food, willing to learn how to cook in Chinese food. Ma'am and Sir, I can take care children, do laundry, washing the clothes, ironing, and cleaning the house. Ma'am and Sir, I am hardworking person, energetic, flexible, willing to learn more duties and responsibilities inside the house. To all employers in Hong Kong, thank you so much for watching my video and have a nice day. God bless us all. Thank you.